All right, so here's another story that completely reframed how we think about service. There was a couple that went out to dinner on their wedding night, nothing extravagant, just a great local steakhouse. A year later, they came back in to celebrate their anniversary. When they walked through the front door, the same exact waiter greeted them by name. He remembered their favorite table, their drink order, the exact wine they had had a year earlier. He even said, "Last time, you loved the mushrooms, but I think you'll really enjoy the risotto that's on the menu this time." Guys, that's not luck. That's design. He didn't have a photographic memory. The restaurant had a system. Someone had logged those details. Someone had cared enough to track what mattered and then use that information to make the next experience even better. When we say systems with a soul, that's what it looks like. Now, think about how rare that is in the real estate game. Most brokerages either over systematize until humanity disappears or they're run on personality with zero infrastructure. Neither one of those are going to work in the long run. The sweet spot is when your systems make people feel more human, not less, when your tech actually enhances the connection instead of replacing it. See, when your operations make it easier for leaders to lead and agents to perform, that's what I found at Energy. Here, leadership isn't a title, it's a function. Our executives, managing broker, our growth leaders, our support teams, all of it, they're all part of a living system that's designed around the agent experience. The tools are built to serve people, not turn them into data points. The system makes recognition, communication, and support automatic, not robotic. It's the difference between having technology and using it with intention because you can automate process. But guys, you can't automate care. At Energy, we blend both. We've built a brokerage where structure amplifies humanity, where tech gives leaders superpowers instead of scripts. It's how we scale culture without losing it. It's how we stay boutique while scaling nationally. And that to me, guys, is leadership done right. It's what every great company I've ever studied has figured out. You don't need more systems, you need smarter systems. Smarter systems that remember people, anticipate needs, and empower leaders to actually lead. That's what we mean when we say energy is built different. It's not a slogan, guys, it's a framework. In the next video, I'm going to show you that this approach doesn't just work, it scales. We're going to talk about the proof, how real world-class brands like Ritz-Carlton have been doing this for decades and how Energy's version of boutique at scale finally makes it real in real estate. We'll see you on the next video.